Hello dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic, exercise guidelines at different stages of growth and development. So dear student, you know that the babyhood growth and development from birth to 1 year. So which kinds of care should take the parents for these age children. So motor development of this stage start after the birth and follows the progressive and sequential pattern from top to bottom. The baby firstly learn to move, but control is missing. Cross motor development take place in this stage. It happens primarily at neck, shoulders, arms, hands, legs get developed. The fine motor development is missing, like control over fingers, face, muscles. So in this age, the children from birth to 1 year, they have to need the activities for in this babyhood stage. The gross motor development in the primarily concerns of development. In this stage, the child learn to sit, stand, move by knee and move on foot also few children. So gross motor development is the primarily concern of the development. Parents, especially mother, play considerable role for the development of motor skills such as the crawling when a child make the crawling, sitting, standing, walking, rolling, etc. So parents should provide healthy diet, clean and safe environment, proper vaccination and immunizations should be done on the time. So this is stage, this is the very important stage of the child. So in this stage, the mother and parents, they should take the proper care of the child, of their healthy diet, safe environment, and main important proper vaccination and immunization should be done on time. Now dear student, after this stage, the infancy growth and development from 2 to 1 to 2 year, sorry here written 2 to 2, 1 to 2 year. So infancy development 1 to 2 years, this is also known as toddler stage. In this age, gross motor development is primarily concerned. So gross motor development primarily concerned, parents should provide the healthy diet and playful environment for gross motor development. They should check the growth and development of the child and they should consult doctor for the same. And activities of this infant age, the activities good for the infant for are crawling, standing, sitting, walking, rolling, bending, stepping, block building, etc. The main infant should take sufficient rest and sleep. Along with the vaccination, parents should provide their safe, clean and hygienical environment. So in this stage, the parents should take the proper care of their diet and hygienical environment. Next, later childhood growth and development 7 to 12 years. So in this age, the main concern is to the develop gross motor component along with the fine motor development also can develop. The children should be provide healthy playful area and special care should be given in diet, environment, their habit, moral values, recreational activities. So in this stage, the child something learn. The children should be provided the healthy playful area and special care should be given to the of their diet, environment, their habits, moral values and recreational activities, etc. So activities for this early childhood age, the gross motor development activities are good in this age, like the running. The child can run properly, throwing, kicking, catching, tricycle ride, ladder climbing, hopping, climbing, wide stepping, etc. So recreational activities with wall hopping, roping, jumping, fun games, calisthenic exercise, etc. are good for the coordination activities for this age group. So in this age group, we should give the full chance for activities. Now later childhood growth and development 7 to 12 years. In this stage of the childhood growth and fine motor development activities are performed. The activities for the later childhood, the activities like yoga, asana, gymnastic, athletic and swimming are good sports activities for this age group. Ball games like football, basketball, handball, volleyball, etc. are helpful. Racket games like badminton, table tennis and tennis also help to develop fine motor development skills. Calisthenic exercise or rhythmic exercise also help to attain the motor development along with the physical fitness and teamwork. Adolescence growth and development from 13 to 19 years. So in this period, the period is dedicated period and challenge for the parents. Sex difference is a prominent and meaning consisting in this stage. Adolescence age causes many changes related to the physical, social and psychological. So activities for this adolescent age. Adolescents need good diet, heavy physical workout, creative activities. Thus team games should be encouraged. Teenagers should be motivated to develop moral values, controlling the emotions, proper use of finance, etc. So in this stage we should give the proper attention of the child on the child. So average growth of the chart I am given here of the child. You know that from the birth, when the birth the mostly child 2 half kg, 3 half kg, 4 half kg at least the height should be there 47.1, and like this the on 6 months 6.7, 64.7 their height. One child will be the 1 year, so 8.4 weight and 73.9 centimeter height. On 2 year stage 10.1 kg weight and a height 81.6 centimeter. In 3 years 11.8 kg and 88.9 centimeter. On 4 year 13.5 kg 96 centimeter. On 6 years 16.3 kg 108.5 centimeter. 8 years 90.7 kg and height 119.3 centimeter. And on 10 years 23.5 kg weight and 124.4 centimeter the height. So in this way the average growth chart given by the WHO, World Health Organization. So if any child getting less than in this stage according to the age, less weight and height, then the parents should take the proper care and they should give the proper environment, healthy diet, proper physical activities. They should give the attention for this growth development of on this stage. Now you are watching this in different stages. The student they can do the different activities. You know that when any child from the 1 to 6 year they mostly they learn for how to rolling, how to walking, how to running, just like this. And later 7 to 12 years the student go to the school and they learn the something activities in the school and they play by the volleyball, racket, rope skipping. There are many kinds of activities they do in the school and at home also. And later 13 to 19 13 to 19 years stage the student learns something different and they mostly participate in the different physical activities like games, dance, etc. So they should take in this stage also they should take the proper care of the diet and physical activities for their growth and development, because you know that the on adolescence age is the last stage of the growth and development. So in this stage after 19 years mostly girls child they get their height up to the 16 17 18 years, and boy child they can get the proper growth and development up to the 21 years, so they should take proper care in this stage. They should take the proper balanced diet and physical activities must for them. Okay student, so I have today explained the uh, growth and development in different stages. I think that you have understood, and you will keep attention on these stages, and the students how should the parents take the care. So I think that you have understood this topic. So okay, we will soon meet with a new topic. Okay, thank you, bye bye.